Okay, so there's sort of that squealing, light squealing noise coming from the front. Sounds almost like metal on metal. If I turn down the fan, almost sounds like it might be coming from the vent. So the fan's completely down, the engine is on. If I turn the engine off, then the sound goes away. However, if I start the engine up, just heard it for just the tiniest bit. See, now it's gone away. But if I let this run for a minute, just hang with me here for a minute, it may go ahead and do it again. Sort of run the engine a bit. I'll try turning the fan up. Turn it back down. Yeah, and now it's gone. So it's intermittent, like it just started doing it a few days ago. I would start the car, it would be fine for a couple of minutes, and then that sound would gradually come up. Here it comes again. See, so I'm starting to hear it a little bit. Hear that? Again, if I turn the engine off, and it's gone. So that's the problem I'm having.